Check out this 2018 Cadillac CTS 2.0 luxury sedan with extremely low miles, only 36,000. It comes with dealer service history, over $325 in recent service, and up-to-date Georgia state emissions. This vehicle is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month or 3,000-mile warranty, and includes a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale. Recent service includes a pre-delivery inspection and a fresh oil and filter change. We also encourage pre-purchase inspections for your peace of mind. Please note, any price reductions will void the CPO status, so act now to lock in this incredible offer. Visit us today and drive away in this well-maintained Cadillac CTS.